Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a simple origami wall hanging pouch. You can put your stuff like this pants. So let's get started. First fold the paper in triangle and then fold it here. And then same as it is on the other side. Then flap one of the page and insert it inside this gap. Now to decorate it, you will need oil pastel colors. To color it easily, you can mark it with your selected colors like this. I am going to show you. So now you know where you want to color it. After coloring it, it will look like this. You can hang it using double gum tape. Thank you.